What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2024 Chevy Trax. So as you can see, I've already got the back hatch open on our Chevy Trax. If we grab this lid right here and pull up, underneath we see our spare tire, and the spare tire is just held on by this wing nut. You'll spin off of there counterclockwise. And then once you get that nut off of there, the tire will lift out like that. And then underneath you can see there's this kind of styrofoam tray that has these tools in here. This whole tray can actually lift out of here. And then in here we see our jack. And then we have the lug nut wrench. And this will also double as the jack handle. So this will flip out of here like that. And this part flips out of here, and then this end goes on there for the jack handle, as well as a lug nut wrench. And then that'll be everything you really need to change your flat tire, but there's also a couple other items in here: a funnel for adding fluids, a recovery hook, and then just like a strap. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.